Hi, I'm Jacob Wersch, Product Manager for Lincoln Electric, and I'm here today to talk about our POWERMIG 262 family. It's the POWERMIG 262 MP, which is our multi-process, and today I'm excited to introduce the 262P, which is a pulsed unit. Rather than being multi-process, this is a CV or wire drive only machine capable of MIG, pulsed MIG, and fluxed cord wire. Otherwise, it shares the same exact body as the 262 MP, which means it has the same running gear, which is the wheels and the built-in canister holder. It has the same 7-inch advanced display, which is bright, very easy to use, and very easy to read. It's got advanced features such as our Ready.Set.Weld and our arc effects, which takes the guesswork out of welding. It also has memories, and you can store up to 10 per welding process, which makes it easy to get back to your old settings. The outside of the machine is also full of thoughtful design features, such as a spare parts holder, a holder for the gun and your cable, as well as a tool holder in the back. Inside of the machine, we've got our max drive wire drive system, which can hold a large spool of wire, and has a hard-coated switch to allow you to cold inch the wire and to gas purge as well. This is a 300 amp machine, and it's capable of running off of 4 different input powers, 208, 230, 460, and 575. So it works for a broad application of welding in the shop. It's also compatible with both a spool gun and a push-pull gun. So it's great for aluminum features, especially when paired with its pulsed functionality. For more information on this machine, feel free to visit us at lincolnelectric.com. Thanks.